Hello, yellow. Yeah, man, we're back here again. Want to do another intro. I didn't do it previously, so I'm knocking it out today. It's for the tail lights. I kind of have an issue with them, but you know, whoever was watching my other videos with the when I switched to the LEDs, you would have seen this. But I'm just addressing this separately in a video dedicated just to how the lenses on the pre-LCIs get burnt out because of a high wattage situation with the bulb. And yeah, so stay tuned, see the visuals, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Check me out on the IG as well later, not really later, but yeah, further down.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Ay, turn on the live, come live, yes sir. Ay, me have the vibe, yeah.
All right, so you can take a look. You see how this is the inner trunk tail light. See the discoloring, cause the lens burning. Look at that, bro. It's terrible. This is the outer tail light. Look all of this. It burnt through the lens. These are cracking because of the heat. So wow. But the outside of the lens looks 100% great. That looks terrible though. So for somebody who just needs a lens, this is great, but to know what's really going on is terrible. Now look at the other side, you can see it. Look at this, man. The crack of the lens, the heat just warped the plastic and it's like bubbling. And let me get a good shot of that. Like I said before, the lens looks good though. You wouldn't even be able to tell this is going on until you decide to go pull your whole lens off. And see that? Same situation with this one. You can see that burn. But from this side, looks 100% good. Looks so deceiving. Burns me to just toss these away, but who's gonna want this burn up lens?